It's time for something that goes like, handles like, and thrills like. It's time to level up your drive. Altima SR puts thrill at your fingertips. Power that can push you into the back of your seat. A new look that's fresh, bold, and exciting. Sound good? Oh yeah. It's not just a powerhouse. It's refined too. But right now, grab another gear, feel it dive into a corner, and grip like there's no tomorrow. You, Altima SR, and the road. It's connected like never before. Hey, it's even easy on gas. Even that's thrilling. It's time to level up your tech. Done. Bigger and better than before. And with wireless Android Auto, see your tech like never before. Cords and cables, kiss them goodbye. And the best tech levels up for everyone. Game on. Let's go. It's time to level up your confidence. With an elevated view, Altima is your eye in the sky. It helps look out for people, like this guy, and large stationary objects, like that thing, and other cars, even when you can't see them. And if they don't see you, Altima's on the lookout. That's 360 degrees of confidence. That's the Altima.